I'm Jonathan Serret. I'm the Cultural Affairs Director for the City of Thousand Oaks here in California, and the Director of the Bank of America Performing Arts Center. I met Ginger through a virtual conference, got a chance to hear her speak, and knew that her message would be something that would really resonate with our team. So I was happy to reach out just to have a connection with her in general, not realizing that it would lead to an opportunity for her to actually be here to share that message in person live with our team at the Bank of America Performing Arts Center. So one of the things that was the biggest takeaway for us is, as we've been closed for 15 months, we are really refocusing ourselves on guest experience and how to greet our customers when they come in the doors to watch a performance here at the Performing Arts Center. And the way Ginger was able to weave the refresh, reset, and revitalize into our message of refocusing and rebuilding was really important, and it was critical for our team to hear that.